Michael J. Dao. I am Carlin Del Valle Jr.
I am Carissa Dionisio.
I am Alexander Vitor,
And we are the presenters.
Computer architecture, 16-bit integers, memory, addresses, or other data units are those that are at most 16-bit or 12, that's why. Also, 16-bit CPU and other architectures are those that are based on registers, address buses, or other buses of that type. 16-bit is also a term given to a generation of microcomputers in which 16-bit microprocessors were the norm. Just as there are multiple data models for 64-bit architecture, the 16-bit Intel architecture allows for different memory models, ways to access a particular memory location. The reason for using a specific memory model is the size of the assembler instructions or required storage for pointers. Compilers of the 16-bit are generally had the following type with characteristics. These are the important terminologies that we are going to encounter as the discussion goes time. First, time. Code and data will be the same segment, especially the registers. CS, TF, ES, SS will point to the same segment. Near pointers are always used. Code, data, and stuff together can exceed 64. Ano 64?
Cut-cut na lang natin. Sixteen-bit application. In the context of IP and PC compatible Intel platforms, a 16-bit application is any software written for MS-DOS, OS2, 1.x, or early versions of Microsoft Windows, which originally ran on the 16-bit Intel 8088 and Intel 80286 microprocessors. Such applications use the 20-bit or 24-bit segment or selector offset address representation to extend the range of addressable memory locations beyond what is possible using only 16-bit addresses. Programs containing more than bytes for more than 64 kilobytes of instructions and data therefore require special instructions to switch between their 64 kilobyte segments, increasing the complexity of programming 16-bit applications. Similar analysis applies to Intel's 80286 CPU replacement called the 386SX, which is a 32-bit processor with 32-bit IO and internal 22-bit data path with a 16-bit external bus and 24-bit addressing of the processor it replaced. The 68000 processor of the Sega Mega Drive was a highly advertised feature of the video game system. Due to the saturation of this advertising, the 1988-1995 era, which is the fourth generation of video game consoles, is often called the 16-bit era.
Referring to the figure, the maximum size of the memory that can be used in any computer is determined by the addressing scheme. For example, 16-bit address is capable of addressing up to 2 raised to 16, which is equal to 64 kilobit memory locations. And 32-bit address can access 2 raised to 32, which is equal to 4 gigabit memory locations. The main memory is designed to store and retrieve data in word length quantities. In fact, the word length of a computer is defined as the number of bits actually stored and retrieved in one main memory access. For example, in a byte addressable computer generating 32-bit address from CPU to the main memory unit, high order 30 bits determine which word will be accessed, and the low order 2 bits specify which byte location is encoded. The data transfer between the memory and the CPU takes place through the use of two CPU registers, usually called MAR and MDR. If MAR is 8 bits long and MDR is 10 bits long, Then the memory unit may contain up to 2K address and location, and during a memory cycle, n bits of data are transferred between memory and CPU. This transfer takes place over the processor bus, which has K address lines and in data lines. Bus also includes control lines, read write and memory function capable or MFC for coordinating data transfer. In a byte addressable computer, another control may be added to indicate that memory only a byte rather than a full word of n bits is to be transferred. CPU initiates a memory operation by loading the appropriate data into MBR and MAR, then setting either the read or write memory control line to 1. When the required operation is completed, the memory control circuitry indicates the CPU by setting
These are the examples of 16-bit memory cell technologies. The 16/32-bit Motorola 68000 and Intel 386SX. The Motorola 68000 is sometimes called 16-bit because its internal and external data buses were 16 bits wide. However, it could be considered a 32-bit processor in that the general-purpose registers were 32 bits wide and most arithmetic instructions supported 32-bit arithmetic. The MC68000 was a micro-coded processor with 3 internal 16-bit allo units. Only 24 bits of the program counter were available on original DIP packages, with up to 16 megabytes of addressable RAM. MC68000 software is 32-bit in nature and forwards compatible with other 32-bit processors. The MC68008 was a version of the 68000 with 8-bit external data path and 1 megabyte addressing. Several Apple incorporated Macintosh models like LC series used 32-bit MC68020 and MC68030 processors on a 16-bit data bus to save cost. Figure shows an example of a very small memory chip consisting of 16 words of 8 bits each, referred to as 16 by 8 organization. Data IP and data OP of each sense or write circuit are connected to a single bidirectional data line in order to reduce the number of bits. Memory cells are usually organized in the form of an array in which each cell is capable of storing 1 bit of information. Each row of cells constitutes a memory word, and all cells of a row are connected to a common line referred to as a word line, which is driven by the address decoder on the chip. The cells in each column are connected to a sense or write circuit by 2-bit lines. The sense or write circuits are connected to the data input or output lines of the chip. During a read operation, this circuit sends or read the information stored in the cells selected by a word line and transmit the information to the output data lines. During a write operation, the sense or write circuits receive input information and store it in the cells of the selected word.
This is the LV style configuration of a 16-bit memory cell when translated into a transistor button.
Parang nagmamadali ka.
This is the figure that shows the L-edit design